Hello students, welcome to Smart World, the School of Complete Education. This is chapter number 12 from English. It's a poem, The Silver House from John Lee. So the poem basically depicts the moon here. I'll be reading the poem and you'll be getting the insight that the poet is basically talking about the moon and he's imagining that a man is living inside the moon. So the poem goes as: There's a silver house in the lovely sky, as round as a silver crown. So the poet is telling that there's a silver house in the lovely sky. He says that the sky is beautiful and there's a house which is silver in color, and it is as round and as round as a silver crown. So he's telling that it is round. So from the picture also we can infer that it's probably talking about the moon, which is shining brightly and is silver in color and round in shape. It takes 2 weeks to build it up and 2 to pull it down. Why is it saying that it takes 2 weeks to build it up and 2 to pull it down? What do we infer from this? That we know that moon keeps on changing its shape. So it takes 2 weeks, that is 14 days for a full moon to arrive. Every month between the fortnight we see that the moon is the full moon. So it's telling that it takes 2 weeks for the silver house to build up, and then it again gets destroyed means that we see that the moon gradually changes its shapes from crescent to one day it is fully round and circle in shape, and another day it again starts reducing to the crescent moon. So this is how the house is built up and then pulled down within 2 weeks. There's a man who lives in the silver house. It's a lonely sort of way, but what his name no one knows, no one likes to say. So the poet says that he imagines that he thinks that there's also a man who lives in the house, and but nobody knows about it, or maybe nobody wants to say it. Everybody knows and nobody wants to tell it, or maybe nobody knows, but he's sure that there's a man that lives in the house, and since he lives alone, so he's saying that in a lonely sort of way. Yet when you go to bed tonight, just draw the window blind and peep out of the silver moon this lonely man to find. So he says that if you want to see or find that lonely man, you can just peep out of the window when you go to bed and you'll see the man. But if his house is taken down and all the sky is bare, then go to bed, because of course the poor man won't be there. So if his house is taken down means that if there is no moon in the sky and all the sky is bare. Now since there is no moon in the sky, there's no light in the sky, therefore he is depicting or telling the sky as bare. So he's saying that if you don't find the moon in the sky and the sky is without light, dark and bare, then go to bed, because you won't be finding the man, because the man lives in the moon and the moon is not there, of course, so the man won't be there. Window blind is a protective covering for window. A window blind keeps out light. Like we use curtains in our windows, we can also use a window blind in place of curtains, or we can use both. So whenever we don't want light to enter our room, so we pull the blinds and the light does not enter our room. And hope you understood it.